So, ayun. Good morning. And medyo matagal ulit ako hindi nakapag-video. So, later na kayo magtanong why I'm wearing my brows and my lipstick because I've done some interview for a company, a good company that giving me a good offer. So, actually, when I started at BPO, ito yung isa sa company na gusto kong mapasok. It just so happened that ang taas ng qualifications nila. First, college graduate. And then second, at least 2 to 3 years experience in call center job, especially in international account, voice or chat. And then lastly, okay naman. So, medyo na-qualified na tayo doon. And napasa ko na yung, andun na tayo sa second step. It's so happened medyo ano ba yun, second thought ako because I'm always aside from a good compensation, I'm also looking for a hybrid setup. But if they will say that it's going to be a full-time on-site, I think kailangan ko mag-isip because medyo malayo siya sa bahay. So, kakainin niya yung oras ko ng travel time. Yung travel time po, kakainin lalo ng oras ko. So, that's the thing. Now, let's go back to some issues regarding the questions, regarding the call center. So, I received some messages, questions, inquiries on my TikTok account. Kasi nagpo-post din ako sa TikTok account ko regarding some issues that was for call center. So, yun. One of the question is, lahat ba daw ng mga nag-a-apply sa call center is magagaling? First, to be honest, no. No. Paano ka na nag-a-apply sa job? Especially, yung mga nagtatanong is college graduate, change of job, senior high graduate, mga ganun. So, yun nga. So, if summarize ko yung question, kailangan ba talagang magaling ka na? Honestly, no. Kasi, pag nag-apply ka naman, lalo na pag-graduate ka, kahit sa ang company, wala kang knowledge, diba? Ano yung ginagawa doon? So, just a typical interview, just tell them that you are newly graduate. So, this is the first time that you're going to apply for a job. So, para yung interviewer, siya yung mag-a-adjust na, okay, I don't have, siyempre, kung ako yung nag-i-interview, hindi kita pwedeng tanongin na what are your experiences. So, basically, more on about yourself, ano yung kaya mong i-offer sa company,